Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good today. Feels good to be back. For those who know it's been about a year since I made a video. For those who don't, welcome. But with all the craziness going on, and specifically DeFi coins making a huge splash into the crypto market, I definitely want to start making videos to show people some good altcoins I believe will have good returns for the upcoming future, and then some that I think are doing fairly well today and ongoing as well. We'll also be covering some Bitcoin and Ethereum technical analysis, so please stay tuned for that. That is going to be great, and I'm going to show you some good indicators as well. But hope everyone is staying warm today. Again, some pretty cold weather flowing through the U.S., so anyone who's in there, definitely stay warm and stay safe. But with that, let's go ahead and get started. So going on to CoinMarketCap here, we can see Bitcoin is trading at $47,500. Still insane to see that number. I remember last year it was trading below 20,000, then we just broke through everything. So great to see we're staying high. Again, most altcoins are a little down today. Some I'm going to focus on specifically are actually some DeFi coins such as Sushi, which is up today over 11% to $17.10. And then I'm going to focus on Solana as well and FTT token as well as a couple others. But yeah, right now, again, a lot of coins are down today, but not too much. So this could be some good buying opportunities. So first one I mentioned is Sushi Coin. And for those who don't know what Sushi Coin is, again, it is a DeFi coin, decentralized finance. One of the people here on Twitter I've been following is Alex Weiss, and he's actually number 2 P&L on the FTX exchange. So profit loss, he is the top number 2 person on there. So this guy's real smart, trades really good. He does $4 billion a month in volume on FTX. And he's actually mentioned Sushi, retweeted a tweet from Nico here. It says, first bag I'm buying on this dip, negative funding rate, lending platform coming up. This was a gift I was waiting for. So that's a big thing with these dips. Again, looking for good altcoins that have potential for the future. Again, a lending platform coming up for Sushi. Lending platforms have been big. If anyone's been following those, I know a big coin actually in the past that I spoke about was Nexo. Whenever it was around 20 cents, now it's $1.67. So again, Nexo is a lending platform. You can use your crypto as collateral. They lend you loans, etc. But I think definitely Sushi is a good coin for that. It has been in a lot of people's Twitter feed as well as Telegram groups. So this is definitely a coin to keep an eye on. And then further, also in addition to Solana, there's also SRM. So I'll go ahead and show you my watch list here of a couple coins. SRM is Serum, and it's actually, if you type in Serum Dex, it is the world's first completely decentralized exchange for DeFi. So you can have you can see you can Serum, and you have multiple coins that you can transact with as well. And one of the reasons that I like Serum is because you have to use it in a lot of IDOs that are coming out. Basically, it's IDO is like an ICO, but on a decentralized exchange, and basically kind of use the token as collateral, or basically you have to have the token in addition to buy the coin. So Serum is a big DEX that is up and coming. I think there's a lot of potential with that. And again, having to use the coin in addition when you're buying IDOs that release on it is definitely something that is going to continue to increase in value, as well as Bunfida. The Bunfida exchange is another DEX that you have to, if you hold FIDA tokens, then you can also purchase the IDOs. And those IDOs are a big thing right now. Again, getting in the private sales and making sure that you're trying to get the best deal you can. Just having these tokens, knowing that people have to buy these, again, that's a big deal. So Solana, Serum, and Bunfida, big deal there. And then the FTX token. So if anyone knows, FTX is an exchange that has been up and coming for a while now. The CEO is a very hard worker. I believe it's with the Alameda Research, and he is the CEO of FTX, and he's been constantly building it up. And I believe the FTX exchange is actually getting pretty high in volume compared to other exchanges. So if you click on here for exchanges, you can see Spot. If you scroll down here, the FTX exchange is actually starting to make some headway here. So we'll go ahead and scroll down here a little bit, and the FTX is actually, I believe for derivatives, it is very high. So we'll go ahead and Search on derivatives there, and then FTX number 5 exchange. So you can see it's not too far from OKEx and Bybit. I mean, it's $6.7 billion of volume traded 24 hours. So you can see it's above BitMEX, which BitMEX was huge for a long, long time. So this FTX exchange is getting very popular. A lot of these DeFi coins are actually releasing on the FTX exchange first before they even go to Binance. So definitely good to have that FTT token I was mentioning, because I equate the FTT token similar to the Binance token in a sense that, hey, you get discounts for using the FTT token similar to Binance. So it's trading at about $20 right now. I definitely think there's potential for it to be a top 20 coin, which in that case it would, could easily trade upwards of $40 here in this range. So definitely a coin to keep an eye on for stability with that. And then also a coin I want to mention was Stellar. Stellar's had a little run up, but it hasn't quite had that pump like these other coins have had, Chainlink, XRP, and all of those. So I think there's definitely a lot of room to run for Stellar. One also to keep an eye on as well. And then last but not least is actually Swipe. So for anyone that knows, Swipe is actually a very popular cryptocurrency, DeFi specifically, that is using credit cards for crypto transactions. So right now it's ranked 138, and recently MasterCard actually announced that they'll begin facilitating cryptocurrency transactions in 2021. And Swipe has actually tweeted about that, saying that they already have deals with MasterCard, and eventually they're going to be on that platform. So I think this has got a lot of potential. Again, it's ranked 138 right now. It's only trading at $2.17. Its high was actually over $4, so at least a double from here. I can definitely see that. So some good investments. Again, especially when we're having dips like this, maybe get a little and then wait for a bounce off of support before buying some more. But with that, let's go ahead and go into some technical analysis. So going over Bitcoin right now. So I mentioned it's at almost $48,000 right now. I drew a couple support lines as well as a trend line here. So you can see right now this resistance trend support is actually at about $44,400. So I think this is the next major support level here. Again, this diagonal trend line, we can see if it doesn't bounce here at about $47,000, then I could see it falling all the way down to $44,400. If it continues to fall from there, then it's about $40,900. Now, two indicators here. I have the RSI, and then I have the MFI Pro. It's actually by a guy called Crypto Scripts. But MFI Pro here, and this indicator, it shows you basically with the MFI, when it's above, it gives you a red sell signal, and the money flow is below this green line, then it gives you that buy signal, as well as the money flow in the waves here. So you can see with this sell signal here that it gave you on the 4-hour, that it was a good sell signal up at 47,000, went all the way down to that 44,200. Then it gave you another sell actually right before this huge drop. So you can see the RSI was actually really high here. So good to use in conjunction with one another. And then, basically try to find those best trades with that. And then another one, a lot of people were asking me about a year ago when I made an indicator video about here, this whales buy sell indicator. So if you go on the daily with Bitcoin, then this actually whales buy sell would have gotten you a buy signal here, and you would have got in at this next candle about 33,000 and still have rode that up. So whales buy sell, also by a guy Crypto Scripts. If you want to get that, then message him, or just message me if you have any other questions. I have my Discord and my Twitter up there. So but yeah, you can see here, again, the daily, the whales buy sell isn't too bad on Bitcoin, but you need to combine it with these other indicators. So you can see the MFI here gave you a green, basically shaded area for a buy signal. Then you have the whales buy sell give you a buy signal as well. The RSI was just under a little bit, so I had some room to run to the upside. So it was pretty good confluence there of indicators. So stuff to keep in mind for there. But yeah, right now, again, short term for Bitcoin, I'm thinking about just getting on that trend line, and basically right here, this $47,000 level will be important. And if we break that, then we'll keep going down. So looking at Ethereum next. So for Ethereum, right now, again, same thing. Support level for Ethereum is going to be around $1,700. On this diagonal support, looking at right here, about 1,750. So where it's at right now, it needs to bounce. Otherwise, I definitely see 1,700, with the next major support being at about 1,530. So quite a big drop there. So definitely, you can see this MFI Pro here called the sell signal up here. with the RSI was a little bit high, so that was a good sell for that. Let's go and look at the daily here. The daily, again, it's still really not much going on for Ethereum, so definitely could see some more downside here. Not the MFI still isn't low enough for that buy signal, and the RSI is still relatively high. So definitely some more downside potential for Ethereum. And then as far as the whales buy sell for Ethereum, again, so it's probably best on the 4 hour for Ethereum. You see, it gave you a sell signal here. It caught this huge drop, and then the buy signal, and then it's giving you a sell signal right now. It's flashing, hasn't confirmed yet. So again, RSI is in the middle right now, so it can go either way. So I wouldn't really take this sell, take it with a grain of salt. But again, if it breaks down, then we're looking at least $1,700. So with that, if y'all have any questions, again, message me on my Twitter or Discord, or leave a comment below. But again, I appreciate everyone who watched my video. Again, it feels good to be back, and it feels good just to get back into it and to help y'all out as much as I can, especially with these altcoins, popping off as much as they are, trying to take advantage of this money because you never know with crypto. I mean, it could all come crashing down the next day or next week. So you always want to capitalize on your gains while you can and take profit along the way. So with that, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching.